Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find privacy protection. Now let's tap on special permissions and find the option which is called install unknown apps. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course, you can change it. So for example, you can tap on Chrome and tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see here, we've got the warning that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developers. So you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that. Just take this option and tap on OK. As you can see, it is active, and after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install some content. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps, and you can turn off all previously granted permissions. Just go back here and tap on the switcher, and as you can see, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So basically that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Xiaomi 12T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.